See my hair looking like abandoned sponge. Dry, stiff, and suffering. But don't worry, we're about to fix this. First, wet your hair. But listen, you want it damp, not dripping. Now my OG Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for years and it's melting into my hair like butter on hot bread. Soft, smooth, and smelling nice. Just the way I like it. The second thing I use to moisturize my hair is my special oil mix. I use coconut oil infused with rosemary, cloves, and hibiscus, and my scalp loves this one. I use a dropper to apply it to my scalp and then give it a sweet massage because blood circulation is important and it helps stimulate hair growth. I rub a little oil into the rest of my hair to lock in that juicy moisture. Then I use a wide tooth comb to gently comb my hair. Gently, oh, don't do it as if you're excavating treasure, I beg. I work in 4 sections because trying to do everything at once, recipe for frustration. We're not here to fight our hair, I beg. We are here to take care of our hair and give it some tender, loving care. Hair care doesn't have to be expensive. This routine is simple and cost-effective. I do this once a week when my hair is out, and that's all my hair needs to stay soft and healthy. Don't stress yourself buying the whole hair care aisle. Start with the basics. Water, a good leave-in conditioner, oil to seal, and consistency. That's the real secret to length retention. Your hair doesn't need wahala, just more patience and love. And just like that, hair is soft, fresh, and living its best life. If you enjoy this routine, don't just watch and go like a thief in the night. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!